So today we're going to look at simultaneous linear equations, and in particular using the elimination method. So example 1, we have 2x plus 3y equals 8, and the second equation is x plus 2y equals 7. So what we do is we write out both equations, and using the elimination method we want to eliminate either x or y. By adding equations 1 and 2 together, we want to cancel out x or cancel out y, whichever is easiest. So the best way to do this example would be to times x by minus 2. So we'll show you why in a minute. So times minus 2, that means that x now becomes minus 2x. Minus 2y becomes minus 4y. And 7 becomes minus 14. So equation 2 now becomes minus 2x minus 4y equals minus 14. So we then add equation 1 to equation 2, like so. The minus 2x plus 2x cancels out, giving 0. The minus 4y plus 3y gives minus y. And 8 plus minus 14 gives us minus 6. We can then cancel out the minuses and y becomes 6. So we've just found out what y is. In order to find out x, all we have to do is put y into either the original equation 1 or equation 2. So if we go back and look at equation 1 and 2, we decide which one would be easiest to use. So looking at equation 1 and equation 2, x plus 2y equals 7 would probably be the most straightforward one to use. So x plus 2y equals 7. We simply plug in 6 into the equation, so it's x plus 2y, which is 12, equals 7. X then becomes, take away 12 from each side, so x plus 12 minus 12, we'll then have 7 minus 12, which is minus 5. So there we have it. The solution to the simultaneous equation is x equals minus 5 and y equals 6, which can also be written minus 5, 6. So if we want to check and see if what we've done is correct, there is a simple method of checking our solutions. So to check, we go back to equation 1 and equation 2, and the answer that we found previously was x equals minus 5 and y equals 6. So to check, all we have to do is plug in minus 5 into equation 1. So x is minus 5 plus 3 times y, which is 6, equals 8. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10, plus 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 10 plus 18 equals 8. So there we go. Equation 1 is correct. Now equation 2 is simply x plus 2y equals 7. Again, we plug in x minus 5. So minus 5 plus 2y. Now we know that y is 6. So that's 2 times 6 equals 7. So minus 5 plus 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 minus 5 gives you 7. And there we go. Equation 1 and equation 2 hold true to the answer minus 5, 6. And that's us.